And it's finally a forecast a lot of people will want to check. I know even people that don't like the heat typically like spring when it's just warm and the humidity's not too bad. And that's what I have for you right now. Clear skies. I mentioned earlier that we've had that a lot. We just have not had the warm conditions to go along with it. And in this case, we finally do. Nothing on radar. That'll stay basically clear right through at least Sunday and maybe even Sunday night. More on that in a minute. For this evening then, dropping back a little bit cool once the sun goes down or getting ready to go down. We'll say about 66 on average at 7 o'clock. Quite breezy, mild, mainly clear skies. Look at those winds though, gusting to 30 or more miles per hour. All 70s here across the 7 cities. You get right near the parts of the eastern shore down through areas around Manio, parts of the Outer Banks. It's cooler with a wind off the water, but for everybody else it is, and even down there, 60s is not bad compared to what you've seen. Speaking of compared to what you've seen, how about comparing it to yesterday? We are up exactly 20 degrees officially at Norfolk International, up 21 at the beach at Oceana. Newport News, Williamsburg up 16 degrees. So things really rebounding, all because of this high. The high moved offshore. The clockwise flow of air around it has pushed us up and will continue to bring us the mild readings then this evening. Even late tonight, as I mentioned, it will be cool, just not really chilly like it has been. In the morning, temperatures in the 50s, mid-50s for some of us, popping already up by the end of rush hour to almost 60. And then tomorrow afternoon, said today that it was too low with the Futurecast. That is too low as well. We're going to go 80 degrees tomorrow and sort of update that, if you will. Eventually, this next storm gets a little bit of a head start on us, but that doesn't happen until late in the weekend. It does not move much before then. So still cool, but way above normal to start your day on Saturday. Lots of sunshine. Again, that's too low. We're going 80 for the high. And this is in pretty much the same position as I showed you a minute ago. That storm just really sitting out there, slowly spinning around. It's going to sit for a while and almost become negatively tilted, as we call it, which brings a little bit more strength to the approaching cold front. And that's why we're going to keep our eyes peeled for late in the day Sunday night. I'm hoping that it comes through, though, in the middle of the night, which is a better time for mitigating severe weather. So let's keep that, our fingers crossed, keep that in mind, that might help us. A couple of clouds around early today. None of the sprinkles to our north reach the ground. So tonight, 55, clear, quite breezy, even windy at times. Tomorrow, 80, very breezy to windy again. A lot of sunshine, similar to today, just bump it up 5 degrees. Tomorrow night, mainly clear. Quite breezy to windy, 60 for the low. And then on Saturday, 80, still very warm, a lot of sunshine. How does it look for the rest of the weekend? Well, 78 on Sunday, 20% chance of a shower any time of day. Once we get into the afternoon, we're going to say about let's say evening, late afternoon, evening, about a 40 to 50% chance. 70 to 80% chance Sunday night of a thunderstorm, some of which could be potentially heavy. And then about a 1 in 3 chance early on Monday, diminishing rain chances by late in the day. Cool off quite a bit on Tuesday, and then we warm back up for Wednesday and Thursday.